Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy XRP using your Schwab account. First, you will need to log into your Schwab online account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to create one and complete any necessary verification processes. Once you're logged in, navigate to the trading section where you can manage your investments. After you've accessed the trading platform, look for an option to trade cryptocurrencies. If XRP is not listed, you may need to trade it through an exchange that connects with Schwab. Research and choose a reliable exchange that allows you to purchase XRP. Make sure the exchange is compatible with your Schwab account for easy fund transfers. Next, fund your account on the exchange by transferring money from your Schwab account. This typically involves entering the amount you wish to deposit and following prompts to complete the transfer. Once your funds have cleared in the exchange, you can search for XRP and proceed to buy the amount you want. Review the details of your purchase, including the price and fees, before confirming the transaction. Finally, after buying XRP, consider transferring it to a secure wallet for safekeeping, especially if you plan to hold it long-term. Keep track of the market and your investment, and remember to stay informed about any changes in regulations that might affect your holdings.